delicious jollof rice recipe that went all the way to Harvard. So I woke up this morning after having my so I woke up this morning after taking my breakfast. I was like, what am I going to have for lunch? I said, since I have all the whole ingredients for jollof rice, let me go make it. So come guys, let's go make jollof rice. I have all the ingredients. Hello my beautiful people, how are you all doing? In today's video I'm going to make this mouth-watering sumptuous jollof rice recipe, and I'm going to be using my secret ingredients to make this recipe. So if you are new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. You wanna be the first, okay? You don't wanna miss out. So come, let's go make this meal. Mwah. So here are all my ingredients: my washed tomatoes, bell pepper, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to blend it and after set it aside. Now I'm going to parboil the rice, and now I'm pouring it in to a boiling water and leave it to boil for some minutes. This is the chicken I'm going to use to prepare this delicious meal, and I've drained out the water and washed the rice properly. The rice is actually half cooked, which I'm going to use later. So in the pot I have my chicken in. I'm going to season it. Firstly, I'm going to add in onion and garlic, curry powder, thyme, and I'm going to put in chicken seasoning, little oregano, pepper, and little water and salt to taste. I can't wait for this chicken to be ready. Oh my god. Oh, I really marinated this chicken very well. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. At this point, I'm going to add in my oil and leave it to get hot for some minutes, and after add in the chopped onion and give it a quick stir. So I'm going to put in the tomato paste and give it a quick stir. I'm going to pour in the tomato sauce that I blended earlier and give it a quick stir. You can gradually see that the sauce is thickening. I'm going to season it. Now I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of thyme, curry powder, oregano. If you've watched this extent, can you give this video a thumbs up I'm going to add in pepper, salt to taste, and chicken seasoning, and give it a quick stir.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
At this point, I'm going to put in my chicken stock and barboiled rice, and after give it a quick stir, add water and leave it to boil on medium-low heat.
On we'll finding life along the way.
Wow, our sumptuous and delicious jollof rice is ready to serve. Leave a comment in the comment section what you like to eat alongside with your rice. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, and see you all in my next video. Bye.